Hey, it's Mark, RPM Tesla Aftermarket Accessories. We're very excited to reveal our waterproof Model 3 outdoor-indoor car cover. This is the packaging. This is the exact size. It fits right in your trunk or your frunk. It's awesome. It's the best. And of course, it has the best price. So let's show you how easily it installs and show you how snug it fits. And we will show you how it's designed to allow your car to breathe through the air inlets in the front, whether or not you preheat your car in the winter time and you want to come out to a nice warm car where you can rip the cover off and get the snow off of it because it is waterproof. We think we've got the best design on the market. So just unroll it, open it up, and you'll notice the pockets for the mirrors, and spread it out on your car. Now again, this is polyethylene on the outside, super soft fabric on the inside, and this of course is the front of the car where it's going to breathe. So we're just going to run this down here and open her up. Okay, so once you find your driver's side for the US, again, this is only US made because of where the location is going to be. Then come to the other side, hook the mirrors on. This is the mess of that. Keep it clean. Once the mirrors are hooked, lift it up. And notice the super soft microfiber-like non-scratching material around the fenders. And here is our ventilation area, which allows airflow to go in to the radiators, whether or not you're cooling it or whether or not you're heating it. So you can warm your car up or you can cool it off in the summertime. All right, then just come around the back. See how nice and snug it fits. Even with the spoiler, you have no issues. It fits perfect. We're going to sell an optional bungee cord that'll be plastic that will reach around. We're going to sell an optional bungee cord that will reach around here and go under the car so it won't scratch the paint. And now for charging and storage in your garage or at an airport, Velcro on the sides, charging port opens, charge while you're at an airport, closes right up, keeps rain out, moisture out, and it fits perfect. All right, just gonna want to keep opening. Let's try one more time to close. Anyway, this is it. This will be in stock, shipping in January. Once you see how it fits on the sides, nice and snug. And again, we designed it to be very snug on the mirrors. And if the mirrors are closed, which you can do manually, it even fits even better. So again, hook them on the mirrors, lock your car with your key fob, make sure your mirrors turn in, and look at how snug it fits on both sides. Come over here. Covers the wheels all the way down. And it fits, whoop, it fits great. Thanks again. RPM Tesla's indoor-outdoor Model 3 car cover, waterproof. Okay, now after you lift up the sides, so the soft microfiber is only touching the car and the windows, wrap it up into about a 1 foot section, and then we're simply going to fold it, and we'll put it right back in the RPM bag. So I recommend, again, you never want to put friction on your paint, no matter what it is. Roll it on the glass like this, tuck it under, get the air out, So again, one of the nice functions I wanted to mention is that when you're parked at an airport, you preheat your car or you leave the heat on so it doesn't get too cold and you're charging. It'll be great. Then take your little car cover, bring it right over here, compact it enough, get all the air out, put it right back in your RPM Tesla aftermarket accessory carrying bag or car cover pouch. So a little bit of work and you'll have it all back inside. Thanks again for checking in, and these will be shipping in January.